Welcome back. Every healthy meal we make is another step towards nourishing our bodies, building strength, and living well after 60. Today's recipe is a nutrient rich kale salad with fresh fruit, pumpkin seeds for extra fiber and protein, feta cheese, a homemade vinaigrette, and for an extra boost of protein, we've got some chicken breast. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel and to another recipe that is high protein, easy to make, perfect for meal prep. So there are no excuses, you guys, for staying on track with your diet. And as I mentioned, these are all the ingredients that we are going to use today to make this super nutrient rich kale salad. And again, extra boost of protein, this chicken breast. Now, for the sake of time, I went ahead and prepared this chicken breast in advance. Super easy to prepare, you guys. I took the chicken breast, butterflied it. I tenderized it with this mallet. After that, I seasoned it very simply with some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Cooked it up in my frying pan with some avocado oil, 3 minutes per side, and here it is. So I'm going to set this aside so that we can go ahead and prepare the salad. And we're going to start with our kale. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just break it up in the size pieces that I want. It's already been rinsed and dried. All right, that looks great. We are going to add in some olive oil, massage this in. And what this is going to do is going to help soften these leaves. And plus it adds an additional layer of flavor too. Not to mention the nutrient benefits of polyphenol. So you guys make sure you get yourselves a really good olive oil. I purchased this one off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Next, we're going to sprinkle in some fresh lemon juice, some salt, mix this together. If you've never had kale with the olive oil and lemon juice before, give it a try. This is absolutely phenomenal. Okay. That looks good. Okay, we're going to set this aside and slice up our peaches. And we can add these into our bowl, as many or as few as you want. That looks phenomenal. Then our blueberries. Guys, see this so far? Look at the color and look at all of these nutrients. Some feta cheese. And I'm just going to do some little shavings. Our toasted pumpkin seeds, what I did with this is I put them in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And then when they came out, sprinkled them with some salt. And you guys, if you wanted to keep this meatless and use this as a side salad, you are good to go. Or use it as a meal in and of itself. But we're going to take it a step further to boost the protein level, and we are going to add some sliced chicken breast. I can't wait for you guys to try this salad. It has seasonal fruit. Of course, you've got the nutrient-rich kale. We have the toasted pumpkin seeds for that extra crunch and some fiber. We've got this chicken breast that is cooked to perfection, seasoned well, juicy, to add an extra boost of protein. And you guys, it took no time at all. Perfect for lunch, perfect for dinner, perfect for meal prep. All right, you guys, if you want to see more suggestions like this, meals, workouts, healthy me tips, please do check out my mid-year mind and body reset playlist, because I cover it all there. And until we meet again, you guys, remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special and enjoy. And I'll see you soon. Mm-hmm.